Hi, I'm a product expert at AFHT Technologies. Welcome to the installation and configuration process of the Advanced Field History Tracker app. Let's get started. Once the package is installed, go to the AFHT Admin tab. Click on the plus icon to create a new field tracking configuration. You'll see an Add Field Tracking Configuration pop up. Here you'll need to fill in the details according to your preferences. First, select an object, then choose the fields for tracking. And select the default timeline view. Once done, click on the Save button, and your configuration will be successfully created. Go to any account object record page. Now pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, click on Edit Page. Next, click on any component/tab section. On the right side of the section, you'll notice an Add Tab button. Click on it. In the tab label drop-down menu, select Custom to enter a custom label for your new tab. Enter your desired label name and click Done. Fantastic. Now that the new tab is created, let's add components to it. Click on the tab to enter editing mode. Drag the custom component called AFHT Field History Viewer and drop it onto your new tab. You'll also see a Allow Restore checkbox. Check or uncheck this box depending on your preferences, and then you'll also set the height of tabular view. Once you're satisfied, save your changes and activate the page. Now go back to the account record page. You'll see the AFHT Field History Tracker tab. Click on the Details tab to proceed. Here you can edit the fields selected for tracking. Make any necessary updates, and when you're done, click Save. Now click on the AFHT Field History Tracker tab, and you'll be redirected to the selected default horizontal timeline view. Here you'll find the most recent updates to the record history displayed horizontally. If you want to explore the recorded history differently, switch to the vertical timeline view. This provides a vertical layout, offering a fresh perspective on the data. But that's not all. If you prefer a tabular representation of the recorded history, click on the tabular view. This will present all the updated record histories for the selected field types. For fields of the text area rich type, there's an icon provided. Clicking on this icon will take you to the record history page, where you can view the updated text area rich field data. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@afht.com.